Hi ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Flight 4A1. My name is Skipper and I am going to be your captain for this flight. We are currently second in line for takeoff and are expected to be in the air in about 10 minutes. Shh! Shh! Junior princesses, please! Where are your princess manners? When the captain is speaking, we all have to be quiet and listen attentively, okay?
Auntie, does that count me too? Because technically, I'm gonna become a queen, not a princess.
Okay, what I mean to say is Junior Princesses and Junior Queen Elsa, please be quiet while the captain is speaking, okay? Thank you so much. Now, where was I?